Guys, it's Lamza here. Today I don't really have anything to say. I just want to say something that I noticed this year. Yes, so far so good. I was able to connect with few idolos this year. But what did I notice? In Web3 space, if you want to connect with people, you make sure that you have value because in the Web3 space, it is all about give and take. If you don't have anything to give, you cannot take. So you offer value so you can benefit from your idolos. I was able to connect with so many idolos, but we did not extend the connection to the aspect of give and take. That's benefiting from each other, you offering value. Because I did not, apart from the follow for follow back, I did not extend because I know that I don't really have any value to like offer yet. Even if I was just scared that okay, don't let me just go to the DM. But yes, for 2026, if you want to connect with people, and there's one thing I also noticed: if you want to connect, make sure you connect with people your level before you go far to the big doors. Yes, because you connect from your level and then you move to the big doors. You want to connect with your doors, make sure you have value. Do the give and take that I explained earlier. Yes, give and take. You offer something so you can benefit. You can even offer a free job. You can do a free job for them so that you can gain and benefit from your idol. So that's what I have to say today. Make sure you connect and offer value. Don't just connect. Don't be a parasite. I literally avoided that this year. So do not be like me. I did not offer anything. Bye guys. Make sure you connect well in 2026.